Hello everybody, welcome to Green Monkey Tutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a double jump in Unity. So I'm going to open up Unity here, and I'm going to hit play. So in my sample scene I've built here, it's just a few cubes, and I'm using the standard Unity first person asset. So I can run around and just jump around on the cubes. I'm going to have it so you can do a double jump. So go to the first person controller, and go to edit script, which I already have it opened. Then we're going to be creating a variable. It's going to be called a public. It's a bool. It's going to be called double jump. Okay. So once you have that done, scroll down to where it says if, to down here, where it says if not previous grounded, and where the character controller is grounded. What we're going to do here is we're just going to add double jump is equal to true. Awesome. So now scroll down a bit further and find where it says if character controller is grounded. And we're going to hit this symbol right here, which means OR. So if the character controller is grounded, or double jump is equal to true. Oops, there you go. It is equal to true. Then we're going to create an if statement down here, which is basically just if the character controller is grounded. So I'm just going to copy and paste that down there. And I'm just going to go to the move direction.y is equal to negative mstick ground force and just hit tab. Just make it nice and neat. So if that is true, then we'll do that. Then scroll down to where it says else. So instead of this being else, we're going to make it a different statement. So we're going to make it a different if statement, which is basically if m underscore character controller is grounded. And we're just going to make it not grounded. So then come back up here. I may have forgotten to do this. Let's come down here and go to make. We're going to make another if statement. So if the character controller is grounded, if it's not grounded, I should say, we're going to set double jump equal to false. And that should be it. If I go back to Unity and wait for it to load. Come on. There you go. I have a double jump. So you can run around the scene, you could jump once, and when you double jump, only double jump, and when you hit the ground, you can do it again. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you want more Unity tutorials, go to Green Monkey Tutorials. Thank you for watching, and bye.